idioms as well on my ID, so keep in touch with me. So let's start the video. Here we are. Getting a low score the first time I took IELTS was a blessing in disguise. It forced me to study extremely hard, so I got a much better score the next time. So the one that is bolded here is the one that is idiom, which means something positive that isn't recognized until later. Let's go forward for the second idiom. I bumped into Jenny in town the other day. It's a small world, which means meeting someone you would not have expected to. So this is all about my video today. Keep in touch with me. I will be posting other parts of these idioms as well. Thank you. Bye bye.